Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 6 of class 8 subject English 2. Verb forms in conditional. Read the following sentences. If it rains, we will postpone the picnic. If you phone him, he will come. These sentences are called conditional sentences. Conditional sentences have two parts, that the if clause and the main clause. If you phone him is the if clause and he will come the main clause. The meaning of the conditional depends on the verb forms, which have several different patterns. There are mainly 4 types of conditional. They are usually called types 0, 1, 2, 3. Type 0, if you do x, y is the result. If type 1, if you do x, y will be the result. Type 3, if you did x, y would be the result. Type 3, if you had done x, y would have been the result. Type 0, form simple present in both the if clause and the main clause. Example, if you heat ice it melts. This is always true. If you press this button the machine switches off. What freezes if the temperature falls below 0 degree? Water. If you eat too much you get fat. Thus in the given sentences we use this type of conditional for general truths such as scientific facts. Type 1, form simple present tense in the if clause and simple future tense in the main clause. We can also use can, may plus base form in the place of the simple future tense. Example, if you work hard you will get a first class. If it rains we will postpone our trip. If you take a taxi you can catch the train. If you hit the dog it may bite you. Conditional of this type will tell us that something will happen if a certain condition fulfilled. Note that the simple present tense in the if clause refers to the future time. Type 2, form simple past tense in the if clause and would plus base form in the main clause. We can also use could or might in the place of would in the main clause. Example, if you worked hard you would get a first class. If I was you, I would not do that. If we started now, we could be in time. If you phone her, she might come. We use this type of conditional to talk about improbable condition or unreal situation. Note that the simple past tense in the if clause refers to the present or future time, not the past. Type 3, form past perfect tense in the if clause and would plus have plus past participle in the main clause. We can use could or might in the place of would. Example, if you have worked hard you would have got a first class. If I had seen him I would have saved him from drowning. If I had tried again you might have succeeded. If you had run you could have catch the bus. Conditionals of this type says that something did not happen because a certain condition was not fulfilled. The first sentence means you did not work hard, so you did not get a first class. Here we come with the exercise 1. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. If you catch the first bus, you dash there in time. Will get, WILL will GET get. If she dash her, I will phone you. Comes, COMES comes. If you try again, you dash. Will, WILL will, SUCCEED succeed. If you heat iron, it expands. EXPANDS expands. We dash ready if you come at 5. WILL will BE. If they dash today I will ring her up. Come, COME come. I will see him if I dash free. AM am. If we dash we will miss the train. Do not hurry. D-O do, N-O-T not, H-U-R-R-Y hurry. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. If he dash, I would have phoned you. Had come. H-A-D had, C-O-M-E come. If I didn't, if it had not rained, we dash cricket. Would have played. W-O-U-L-D would, H-A-V have, P-L-A-Y-A-D played. If I were you, I dash the offer. Would accept. W-O-U-L-D would, A-C-C-E-P-T accept. If you dash her, she would have come. Had invited. H-A-D had, I-N-V-I-T-E-D invited. I dash him if I had been free. Would have met. W-O-U-L-D would, H-A-V-E have, M-E-T met. If I had lots of money, I'd dash round the world. Would travel. W-O-U-L-D would, T-R-A-V-E-L travel. If you had run, you dash the bus. Would have catch. W-O-U-L-D would, H-A-V-E have, C-A-U-G-H-T catch. If I dash in America, I would earn a lot of money. Lived. L-I-V-E-D lived. If we dash now, we would get there by lunch time. Started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D started. I wouldn't do that if I dash you. Were. W-E-R-E were. If I dash her, she might have come. Had phoned. H-A-D had, P-H-O-N-E-D phone. If I knew her address, I'd dash you. Would tell. W-O-U-L-D would, T-E-L-L tell. Now, I wish I knew, I wish I had known. Prachi has to write a letter to her friend Mary, but she can't write to her because she doesn't know her address. Prachi says, I wish I knew her address. I'm sorry I don't know her address. We use wish plus simple past to say that something is not as we would like it to be. It refers to the present. We use were or was with I, he, she, it. Prachi meets Mary a few days later. She says, could not write to you. I wish I had known your address. We use wish plus past perfect tense when we talk about the past. Examples: I wish I had a car. I'm sorry I don't have a car. I wish I were or was at home. I'm sorry I'm not at home now. Vineet wishes he lived in America. He is sorry he doesn't live in America. I wish I had seen the end of the film. I'm sorry I didn't see the end of the film. I wish I had remembered my sister's birthday. I'm sorry I didn't remember it. She wishes she didn't see the film. She saw the film and she regrets her. We can use wish could. Example: I wish I could dance but can't. I wish I could speak French. I'm sorry I can't. Exercise 3. Rewrite the sentences using I wish. One has been done for you. I don't have a scooter. I wish I had a scooter. I don't know his phone number. I wish I knew his phone number. I wish I knew his phone number. I am rather short. I wish I wasn't. I wish I wasn't or weren't short or I wish I was, I wish I was slash were tall. I'm not a good singer. I wish I was or were a good singer. I didn't meet him. I wish I had met him. I forget an umbrella. I wish I had not forgotten my umbrella. I can't cook. I wish I could cook. I miss the train. I wish I had not missed the train. So with this we have completed our chapter number 6 on page number 38 and 39. So you also have to complete your work in the textbook. Thank you.